See sticky fingers again. Not completely buried.
There's the seafloor.
All right.
Okay, I'm gonna come change my head so I'm looking into the hill again. Good morning.
I almost came up here in shorts.
What's that? Oh, it's the pilot stuffing the DVL into the mud. For sure.
Looks like we've gotten past the rocky bits down, heading towards the center of the canyon area.
Sorry, what's that?
I was just saying it looks like we're going the right direction.
Yeah, I'm kind of crabbing here just to try and keep something in view, but
Yeah.
going downhill with a muddy vehicle is not real conducive to good video.
Or an ability to see where you're going, which is also
Yeah, well, we're can walk across the deck faster than we're going, so I'm not too worried about bumping. But we do have luckily a starboard camera. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, ready to get out. Thank you, everybody. That was lovely. I'm going to sign off now and hand it over to a fresh crew. Hopefully they'll do a little better than we did.
Thank you.
Have a
Thank
good
you
evening.
very much.
Thanks, Andrew.
Thank you.
And Liz and Lila.
Shall I sign off now? Is there someone else coming on?
I have not checked the schedule. Thanks for everything. And I think Carrie is going to jump on at some point soon, so I think we're good.
Okay.
Thanks
Well,
for
I will sign off then.
yeah, thanks for being up at midnight and helping us. Really appreciate it.
Yeah. Well, I wasn't as much help as I should have been, but thank you. It was fascinating.
Thanks a lot. Hope you get some sleep. Thank you. Yeah.
Hey everyone. Susie Cummings signing on as data logger now. Morning, folks.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Morning.
Thanks
Good morning.
Thanks for joining the dive.
Good morning.
Did any of you happen to see Al downstairs?
Oh, no, we did not actually.
I didn't see Al.
No, sorry, Marley.
All right, I'll
And
just hang out. I'll be your video person.
he's hard to miss.
Thank you, Marley. So just so catch everyone up, so this is a site that's about 1,100 meters. We're at a sort of up and down on a canyon wall. The base of the canyon has a, well, I should say it's pretty much all soft sediment except for this appears to be a hard ridge that runs along the wall. We had two seep targets that we were looking in that we'd seen previously, but not on this cruise. Neither of which seem to have seeps at them, but the canyon itself is pretty interesting, and so we're going to keep looking for the seep and also take a couple of sediment samples and Niskin samples as we go.
Sure.
Right now, we just headed past one of the first plume sites, which did not have a plume. But we're going to go down.
Say again. Roger that.
Sorry, Andrew.
Yeah, no problem. So we're going to essentially pretty much find a spot right around here. I'd like to maybe go a little bit forward and fire a Niskin and then take 2 sediment cores.
Sure thing. Aaron, do we currently have a ship move underway?
No, we don't. We can.
Oh, no, it's okay. Seems like we're going to be working around here for a few minutes.
Okay.
Is there a certain altitude you want there, Andrew?
No, this is great. Essentially, we're poking around, and then I guess for the altitude for the Niskin, we can try to be about 1 meter off. That's great.
Sure.
For that one, we can use Niskin number 2.
Roger that. Thing will hold.
Careful of that. He left it hot.
Roger. You or me?
It's easier from there.
Roger.
If you'd rather, I will.
Either way.
That's why I did this, you know.
Thank you.
Do you want to go behind the Niskins?
Go behind the Niskins?
I mean, move them out, and not Niskins, behind the core tubes.
Oh, sure. Is there anything floating in the sample bin there in the front?
There is nothing in the sample bins other than there's been 2 cores that have been taken. So
Roger. Yeah, go ahead.
no worries on anything floating out.
Great. And we said we're going to go for 2?
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay. Okay, guys, we got eyes on
All right.
what's going on.
Pop.
Pop.
Thank
Roger.
you.
Sure thing.
So that one is sample number 46.
Oh, roger that. All right, and then we're gonna go for a push core here.
Yeah, we'll go for 2 push cores here.
Aim.
All right.
Doesn't look like any of them have been deployed, is that right?
I think the outer two.
The one, the orange and the purple ones on the right have been deployed, but the rest of them are okay to go.
So preferably the ones on the starboard side, but not outboard board would be the best ones to use. The ones all the way port are ported. So if we do stumble across the seat, we'll burn some of those.
Maybe we should actually close close the toolbox there.
Roger that. I'm sorry, Andrew, you mean the starboard side of this bin or the starboard side of the vehicle?
Starboard side of this bin.
Okay.
Sure. You just want 2 of them, you said here?
Yes, please.
Tight fit there, hey? Okay.
Can't give you much of a view of that unless I go totally backwards.
Yeah.
Just don't look at it.
Yep. That would be nice.
Can't see too well there, can we?
It's the nice thing about soft sediment sampling is it's really hard to bias your samples by knowing what you're taking.
All right, well, from this very sedimented view, is there just anywhere?
Yeah, that looks great.
Okay. You mind if I just pull it up and pull it out since I got the right grip on this guy, or do you want to?
I do not mind that at all.
Okay.
Also, I'm sort of worried about losing the push cores in the cloud.
Anyone could do it if they could see.
A little farther. Great.
I've got a second view if you need it.
That's good. Go farther.
Sure. You want a picture of that guy?
Yeah.
Marley, you want to go ahead and push in a bit, please?
Yep. Is that good?
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's good for me.
All right, go ahead and come wide there, Marley. Kim, would you mind popping the tool out, the box out a little bit?
Tray out?
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, it's rocking. so that when the sediment plumes out, we don't get it all on our camera. So we got some stuff in there.
I'll spin the brow around.
Sure.
It's a helpful view. Yeah.
Like,
Mind the brow, I think, a little into the vehicle with it.
yeah. Can't tell where I'm at in the quiver here. Seems like I'm out.
Maybe try pitch down a little bit, get the bottom in.
Yeah, something. I need an azimuth.
I don't know where the rest of your joints are, do you?
Yeah. Hold up. I feel like that's out, right? Can we zoom in on the bubble?
Looks like the base is out, I bet.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree. All right. So need to pitch like that. Sorry, Andrew. Stand by to stand by.
I think he stepped out, so you have a moment.
Haha, yeah, I do. All right, well, it's good. All right. Marley, you full wide there for a sec?
Yep.
So let's see where I'm at. I'm like pretty down on it.
Yeah.
Should be right around here.
It's
That was it.
looking promising.
Oh,
There
good.
we go.
Nice job. Ooh, Susie, I think you might be muted.
You are correct. That one is sample number 47.
Sure. Okay.
Let me just
I give it a tap.
tap it, yeah. You want to tap a couple of them. I like this guy too.
Not that one.
No, that one I wanted to tap too. Because I hit him on the way out. All right.
So Andrew wanted to collect another sediment core here.
Sure thing.
Yeah.
Do you want just the one behind it? You guys trying to group them together?
Yeah, as long as it's not in the exact same location, but nearby.
Okay.
Use it, bro.
Got my joints here for a sec. Susie, I assume you're keeping track of color and stuff in your event log.
Yes,
Okay. I don't have enough words in my high pack target.
that's all right.
Like I'm hung up on something, hey? Looks good now.
I don't see a problem, but
Yeah. These rubber bands are vicious.
They really are.
I see that.
Huh.
There we go.
So Andrew, so not in the same spot. Do you want us to push forward a bit, or what's the thought process here?
Can you tell if they're going to be in the same spot or? No, they're not in the same spot.
Okay.
Yeah, they're good.
Roger. Somewhere around here.
That looks good.
looks like you're about 6 inches to the right of the old hole.
Yeah. That's still right there, Andrew.
Yep, that's still good.
All right. Can we get a zoom in on that so I can get a picture?
Sure thing. Go ahead, Marley.
Yep.
Thank you.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, go ahead and come full wide there, Marley, when you get a chance. Included there, hey. What does that just see? Let me know if you get a good visual on that bubble there. I think she's going though. Nope.
It's looking promising.
Yeah. I think she's good there.
Yeah. Not gonna fall anyway. Let go.
Yeah. Nice. Excuse me.
Nice. Brilliant.
All right.
Great.
So
Can
Let me
that's
just give him a tap real quick. Sorry. Give both these guys taps.
What?
Feel bad, I'm just beating up that purple one a bit.
so that one is sample number 48.
Roger. Thank you. All right, is that looking all right for you there, Andrew?
Yeah, that looks great for me. Thank you.
Okay. Nice job. Stay.
Next, I was hoping we could slurp up some of these ophiuroids, these brittle stars.
Yeah.
If we can find the slurp through all of the mud.
Was that an issue before?
Let's just say there was a little bit of cleaning of the vehicle before the watch changed to make sure you didn't see how much mud was on the vehicle at one point.
Gotcha.
It's still pretty muddy.
And if you look in the brow camera, there's a little bit of mud on there.
It looks like we went through a little bit of a snowstorm there. Brown snow.
It won't
You're
be-
off-roading with ROVs.
So it looks to me like all of the slurps are available right now. So you can start off with number 1. Is that
Oh,
correct?
Alright, sounds great.
Yep, this is the first slurp of the dive.
Cool.
Yeah. Merry maids of the sea floor. Alright, we should probably flush this guy out for
Yep.
a little bit.
Do you want the sampling salvo?
I think the sample salvo goes to starboard. I think it's just I think it's just that guy. Yeah, I'm pretty sure sample only is for starboard though.
Alright.
Look at all that soup. Where'd they all go?
Are we on the flush?
Yeah, we are.
I was just about to.
Okay, that looks like it's doing something. Good.
Okay, now the real question is, can we see enough?
Oh,
All that gunk in there. Wow.
Jeez, oh man.
A lot of goo.
Just like filled the hose with dirt.
oh, we just let that run for a while.
Yeah, look at that. You got like a push core in there.
It's the high-tech way to push core.
Oh. Andrew might find some good worms.
Yeah.
Give it another shake.
Yeah, that's a good point. Anything else gonna come out? All right, I think that's probably flushed.
Alright, shut it off
Okay, great.
and try again.
Sure. Yeah, sure. Go ahead. Yeah, I think
Okay,
he's just breaking that one up now.
it's off.
Roger. All right, so you want some of these brittle stars?
Yes, please.
Looks like we got a few down right actually below the slope there.
Good eye. Yeah, well spotted.
Roger.
So
Are
can
these?
we swap on to the number 1?
Oh yeah, sure. Thank you.
Yes.
All right, looks good. Hey, all right, yeah, we'll use that. Did you want to zoom on these before we start slurping them?
Yes, please.
Hey, Marley or Al, would you guys mind zooming in a bit, please?
Yeah, sorry.
Oh,
We're
you're
just
good.
trying to do a handoff. Where am I zooming?
That's great. Just on this brittle star here.
Yes.
It actually looks
That
like
should
there's
be
about
great.
5 right in close proximity.
Oh, yeah.
All right,
Cool.
is that
That's
okay
good.
for the zoom?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, sure thing.
All right, I'm gonna hand off to. Well, actually, are we slurping right now?
Yeah, we are.
Yep.
So hard to see.
Even bubble is a bit hard to see in
Not
here.
actually on yet. Say when.
All right, go ahead. Yeah, get inside of that slurp chamber. You cannot pull away. Go on. He's just
Spider.
stuck in there. Are we at 100% there? Get inside.
That's 100%.
Roger.
You know what? I'm kind of worried about clogging it now that they're not moving. Maybe we can rethink this. It's not going in at all.
He'll go. I can shove some mud on him or something too. Oh.
If we pull that over the forward box and cut the suction, would he fall in the box?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, that's a good point. Okay, we can try that out. And come full wide there, Marley or Al. Thanks, guys.
Hey, trying to find you. There you are. Oh, he's gone.
Still there? And no, he's not.
Where'd he
Good point. I don't see him anymore. Do we have section all the way off? Or still up?
It's all the way on, yeah.
Huh, so
So-
he's
Either he went up the hose or...
somewhere in the tube. I don't see him in bubble.
Mm.
It looks like something just went up there.
Yeah, I just saw something go.
There he is! Score.
All right.
Nice.
So do you want another one?
Yes,
Seems like that one
please.
worked pretty well.
So that one was sample 49.
Okay.
Next one will be 50.
All of them can be sample 49.
Oh, yeah, cool. Still wiggling.
Not sure those ribbons are. I think it might be out of reach with this guy.
I'll watch for you, yellow.
Okay, thank you. Don't want that. Don't want this one. All right, there won't be a really good zoom in for this guy since it's all on bubble. I don't think you guys get bubble cam data.
That's fine.
Okay, All right, I'm ready for you. There he goes. Got the small one. Now we'll get the bigger one.
Aha.
Okay, we got at least 2 in there.
See if they go all the way through, and then if we can grab. Oh,
Oh,
there they come.
There's the mud.
Yep.
Maybe I'll slow that down so they don't get blended.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Opheroid smoothie. I think I can see the little one in there. Maybe.
Two.
There
There
you
it
go.
is.
I think we got 3 in the tube though. Oh, we do
Oh.
have 3 in there, don't we?
Do we? I only see 2.
We got a little baby one. Maybe we can just
Oh,
slurp it on.
Stevie. There's
Oh,
a
yeah.
very
Big guy.
small one, yeah.
Should we try just put it on the on the slurp a little bit more? Not enough to beat these guys up.
And it's
I think that's all of them, right?
it's a shame to tumble the ones in the jar.
Yeah. Poor things.
Yeah, if we can slurp 1 or 2 more, that would be great. Although it's
Sure.
pretty hard to see.
Sure. We can kill section for a second to give them a break. All right, looks like right behind where it was there. Yeah, that one.
There's a couple there.
Yeah, I see one right here, right in front of the nozzle. Do you see?
Let's see if I can zoom on that a bit.
Yeah, that guy.
Nice.
Nice.
He's in.
He's in
Cool.
there.
There's one just at the top of that screen in the center. See it?
Oh, yeah.
I think if I tip up, it'll go behind the bar.
Roger. Understood. I think there's more here, too. Doesn't look like it.
Oh yeah, there's one right there.
Right to the bottom there.
Oh, 2 there.
Yeah. Let's try that guy.
Oh, he's gone.
Oh,
And
Andrew,
there's
you
another
got
one.
so many of them now. You're going to be so happy.
I am so happy. Gonna nothing.
I'm impressed that you can grab these in this visibility.
If they make it all the way through that, I think that's 6.
Yeah, I think so, yeah. You got 3 that last one. Come on.
See if maybe deliberately pick up some mud as a marker.
That's a good point, yeah.
I think in general, when there's an option to pick up mud, that answer is always yes.
These aren't for keeps, though, I don't think, for you guys. All right, Mary maid service.
I should do.
There's
There
a
you go.
marker.
There it is.
And at the same time, it also sandblasts the ophiuroids and gives them a nice shine.
All right, should we see what we got in there when we pause the slurp?
One, 2,
Three, 4.
Yeah.
There's probably like 5 or 6 in there, right?
Should be 6.
Kind of a big tangle there, yeah.
great.
All right, That's all I could. Whatever else gets in the flush, I guess.
So the next thing I'd like to do is I'd like to head over up to the site called Neptunia.
Okay. Yep, spotted that.
All right. Run some water through the flush.
Sure thing, yeah.
Thank you for the great samples.
Yeah, it was fun.
Nice.
That was good. It's fun to vacuum the seafloor.
The cord tubes are good too.
Thanks, guys. All right.
So,
So where are we going
that
to?
trace still out?
I think it's all in now. Yeah.
We're gonna be going about 101, about 200 meters.
200 meters, 101.
Yeah.
Roger. And this will be in exploratory mode, correct, Andrew? I don't think we're doing any transects.
Right, yeah, just exploratory mode. Thank you.
I think we can just head straight there. I don't think there's anything crazy. Ready to go?
Yep, sounds good.
Okay. And it's the red right there.
Thank you.
You want the starboard rail?
Yeah, please. That'd be great.
Bridge nav. We get a 20-meter step bearing 101.
Keep an eye on that bush core there. It's bobbing around.
Front one?
Yeah.
The nearest on the starboard side?
Second nearest, the one we just sampled. Don't like that it's flopping around like that. If it does it anymore, I'll give it another tap.
Does seem to be floating around, doesn't it?
Sorry?
Does seem to be floating around a bit compared to the rest of them.
Yeah, maybe I should suss that out a bit.
I'm going to bump Hurricane just a bit.
Just stay here for a second. Sorry, Andrew. I'm just gonna land. It'll be easier than floating around with all this sediment.
What is a Neptunia? What are we looking for?
The Neptunia are the little snails that lay the egg cases on hard substrate.
Oh, okay.
And we saw some of them over there, and it's just maybe that's an indication
Actually,
that there's a seep over there.
Okay.
It looks like it's the quiver that's loose and not the tube.
Yeah.
Can you see that? When the thing moves, it's the whole quiver that's moving.
Shoot. Interesting.
The tie-ups must have broke. So tapping it might not do anything.
Marley, you want to push in a bit on center screen? Or not Marley, Al. That's good.
See what I mean? The whole quiver's moving.
Should I hold position? Are you trying to sort this out?
You have 20 meters baked in right now?
This is going to be the second 20 meters. I started,
Well,
completed one step.
Yeah, you want to pause it for a sec?
Bridge nav, hold position.
I feel like it is the core. I think that quiver edge here is static to me. I need to go down.
Okay, yeah, I see that.
Yeah. Oh, you want to come full wide there, Al? All right, I'll move into position, then I'll. I'm pretty far off the bottom right now. Go down. I'm moving the HD. Yeah, that sounds good. Sorry, since we're moving, I'm gonna. Yeah, I like it. Kim, would you mind turning your heading to 110?
Ship move is 101.
101.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
One zero one.
Yeah, sorry.
I think you just have to pull out in front a bit.
Yeah.
We drop down a little bit closer to the sediment.
Yeah,
Possible.
sure thing. Getting ourselves all straightened out here. Sorry about that, Andrew.
Yeah, no problem.
All right. And in a hot second, Andrew, I'm going to stop and fix the sediment core. Does it look like we're flying in space right now?
Does look just like that. So many stars.
Haha.
This is really neat because there's so many holothurians around. Some sea pigs every once in a while.
Yeah, I saw that.
All right.
You say you want to stop and fix something?
I think we can probably do it when we're waiting for the next ship move. We just pause it for a minute or two. It should only take us a second to push it in.
So, was that, sorry, yes?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
Sorry.
Bridge nav.
All right, let me fix this guy real quick.
Can I have a step 20 meters bearing 101?
Looks better, right?
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Get this guy too. Not that as much. Alright, let's see if that'll work out for now.
I don't know what you call a large group of holothurians, or especially if they're the sea pig variety, which they are, but there's one ahead. I kind of want to call them a gaggle.
I like gaggle.
Gaggle of sea pigs.
I thought you were talking about the sea stars for a second, and I was like, well, you should call them a constellation.
Constellation of sea stars is a good one.
That is quite the gaggle here, isn't it?
It is quite the gaggle. One of my favorite octonauts was about a gaggle of sea pigs eating a giant pile of phytodetritus.
Yeah, it's looking better. Bye. All right, Andrew, I'll get you closer to the seafloor so you can see your gaggles of.
More and more gaggles.
Look at them all. Jeez.
Well,
So we are kind of heading upslope, but I think it's pretty muddy and subtle.
Is that a deep sea soul there?
What's the?
There's been a little online, says it's a herd of sea pigs, which I think is also a great one. In general, from this region, he also asks, what's the best Kamayan taxon we've been seeing? They're usually Calyptogena in this region.
Sure thing. Yeah, sounds good.